Welcome to our channel, where we show you how to use AI tools to make beautiful videos without having to show your face. We're going to show you how AI technology can change the way you make videos, whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner. So get ready to learn about the best tools and methods for making videos that look professional and keep people interested while still letting you be creative and private. 1. Simplified. The Simplified AI video generator revolutionizes content creation by effortlessly transforming a single long video into multiple clips enhanced with AI technology. The editor is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to add subtitles and make video adjustments. It stands out from other editors because of its extensive editing capabilities. The AI Magic Resizer feature guarantees that your videos will be perfectly optimized for all social media platforms. With over 20 presets to choose from, including the widely used Ken Burns and stop-motion effects, Simplified allows for easy and accessible professional video editing. This tool is perfect for creators who want to enhance their content with a professional touch, without having to deal with complicated editing software. 2. Pictory. Pictory is a fantastic AI video generator that is perfect for creators and marketers who may not have much experience in video creation. Providing a script or article to guide your video content is all that's needed. For instance, you have the option to submit a blog post, and Pictory will generate a video based on the post that can be utilized for social media or your website. In addition, you can easily edit videos in just a few minutes using text. Pictory also offers a feature that can generate video highlight reels that are easily shareable. These reels can serve as trailers or short-form videos for social media platforms like Reels. What's even more convenient is that Pictory has the ability to automatically add captions and summaries to your videos. Pictory offers a range of pricing options starting at $19 per month. 3. Flicky. Flicky is an AI-powered video editing tool that simplifies video creation with a range of video features, smooth transitions, and smart selections. Easily create videos that captivate your audience with just a few steps. Just copy and paste the script you generated with your AI writing assistant into Flicky, and it will automatically find media that relates to your script. After that, you can select an AI voice for the video. If you're not a fan, Flicky also has a voice cloning feature that can generate voiceovers resembling your own voice. You have the option to customize the subtitles, fonts, and placements, as well as include background music. Take a look at a preview of your video and easily export it to your device. Your YouTube video is ready to be uploaded. It's as straightforward as can be. In addition, Flicky has a unique idea-to-video feature that offers dual benefits to content creators. This generative AI technology enables you to easily input your video concept, desired tone, and style using just a few words. In return, it will generate a ready-to-use script along with corresponding media. 4. HeyGen. HeyGen offers a wide range of user-friendly tools and features that allow you to create videos quickly and easily. There is a wide selection of over 300 voices to choose from, covering more than 40 languages. Users have the option to create a personalized avatar that can speak using their own recorded voice. Users have the option to customize their avatar by utilizing the face swap feature. HeyGen can be used for free for 1 minute each day. Prices for longer use begin at $48 per month. 5. Colossyan. Colossyan is an AI video generator that allows you to effortlessly create videos from text and seamlessly incorporate AI actors. The main applications include educational and instructional videos, explanatory videos, corporate communications, and marketing. Colossyan provides a selection of approximately 30 AI avatars for you to choose from. Additionally, you have the option to create your own personalized avatar for an annual fee of $1,000. A notable feature is the option to easily adjust the age and emotions of each avatar with just one click. The user interface of Colossyan Creator is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. The placement of the script box on the left side of the video might feel a bit counterintuitive, but it shouldn't pose a major obstacle. Colossyan is an AI video generator that is easy to use and straightforward. They provide a range of helpful features, such as automated translations and multiple aspect ratios, and are continuously expanding their offerings. The avatars they use lack the same level of quality as Synthesia's avatars. However, the tool's various pricing plans may be appealing to certain individuals. In addition, they have a thriving community of 300 members on Discord. 6. DeepBrain. The DeepBrain AI video editor is a tool that utilizes artificial intelligence to transform the video editing process. This video editor provides a variety of advantages for content creators and businesses thanks to its advanced features and cutting-edge technology. The DeepBrain AI video editor is known for its impressive AI avatars. These avatars can be easily generated using deep learning algorithms. They can be created from real footage of models or through face swap and 3D creation tools. Users can easily create realistic virtual characters and effortlessly incorporate them into their videos. These realistic avatars enhance your content by adding an extra layer of engagement and professionalism, making them suitable for storytelling, instructional videos, or marketing purposes. The DeepBrain AI video editor not only has impressive avatar capabilities, but also features a natural text-to-speech engine. This AI video editing tool supports over 80 languages and enables users to generate speech that is remarkably realistic and natural. 7. Movavi Video Editor. With Movavi Video Editor's non-linear AI technique, you can easily enhance your videos using advanced AI video editing. It goes beyond traditional tool functions to make your editing experience more intuitive and efficient. AI background removal allows you to easily remove and replace backgrounds, giving your visuals a fresh and dynamic look. In addition, the AI noise removal feature improves audio quality by effectively eliminating unwanted sounds, guaranteeing that your videos meet the highest standards. The app also provides a range of advanced features such as PIP, chroma key, titles, keyframing, motion tracking, and more. After the free 7-day trial, you can choose from our paid plans starting at $49.95 per year. 8. OBS. OBS is a user-friendly and straightforward online platform that is perfect for creating screen recording or live streaming videos. It allows you to easily live stream videos from various devices such as your PC, webcam, and microphone, supporting both video and audio streaming. OBS lets you easily record multiple screens at the same time and offers a variety of output formats like MP4, MKV, MOV, and more. One drawback of this tool is that it can be a bit challenging to integrate it into your system at times. In addition, the interface may be a bit challenging for some users. 9. Ally.io. Ally is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, making it easy to use even for those without video editing skills. To utilize Ally, simply copy and paste the URL or HTML text of a blog post, select a template from its library, and allow the generator to handle the rest. After finishing the video, take the time to review it and make any necessary changes before rendering and downloading it. Ally offers a wide selection of over 60 languages and 25 avatars for you to choose from. Ally is available to use at no cost, and you'll receive a 1-minute credit. Ally's plans begin at $23 per month and offer additional features. 10. Loom. Loom is a widely used screen recording tool that simplifies the process of sharing screens from your PC and webcam. In addition, this tool provides links that can be easily shared for the recorded videos. These links can be used to send the screen recordings via chat, email, or social media. The interface is designed to be easy to use. With just a single click, you'll be able to effortlessly begin recording your screen. In addition, you have the option to add text and arrows to the videos, making them easy to comprehend. 11. Opus Clip v2.0. Opus Clip v2.0 is a user-friendly AI video editor that provides a wide range of features to improve your videos and podcasts. Opus Clip offers a range of powerful features that make it easy to remove silence, speed up scenes, cut commentary, and create impactful moments. Opus Clip's feature enables the efficient removal of silence and jump cuts from videos, resulting in time savings and increased viewer engagement in just 13 seconds. Opus Clip's multi-track export feature streamlines video editing by effortlessly combining clips, transitions, and narrative elements, resulting in high-quality professional videos. You can let your creativity run wild and make captivating content that sticks with people when you have these cutting-edge AI-powered tools at your disposal. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe to our channel to get the tips and videos.